I first opted to have a conservatory due to commencing some renovations within the house and wanted a bigger space to accommodate my family. I found ConservatoryLand online. All the reviews were really promising. I then contacted them and the customer service was fantastic. I was aware of what I was after. I detailed it over the phone to a chap. He then provided some drawings and they got it down to a T. They contacted me very regularly regarding the process, updates, even down to the brickwork, which was completely spot on. They were very thorough with everything. I read through reviews regarding the teams who built conservatories for customers, and there was always a positive quote. So I thought it needs to be a ConservatoryLand team. When the gentlemen arrived to offload the conservatory, they were absolutely fantastic. They did the whole process so quickly. Within a week it was done. The garden then was tidied afterwards. I did contact them just to tweak a little bit and they were there the next day. They were amazing. Now that we have a conservatory, I can now accommodate for my family, having them over. With the light as well, it's so light and airy, it's just lovely. I would 100% recommend ConservatoryLand to anybody. It's been amazing from start to finish.